Hello students, this is Amivarya, Assistant Professor of Microbiology from the Department of Microbiology at LJ Institute of Applied Sciences. Welcome to the world of basic microbiome. Here we are going to discuss the topic biomolecule, fatty acid and lipid. As we know, the biomolecules, they are the biological molecules. They are the lifeless molecules and responsible for driving of all the cellular metabolic activities. Now move on to our topic. Our topic is from SYBSc Semester 3, Gujarat University syllabus, core paper Microbiology 201, Microbial Physiology, Unit 1, Biomolecule, Lipid. The basics of lipid. Lipids, they are the organic compounds. They are formed mainly from alcohol and fatty acids. They are combined together by the ester linkage. This is the ester linkage and forms the molecule of lipid. The lipids, they are the heterogeneous group of naturally occurring compounds. They including fats, oils, steroids, waxes, and the related compounds. They are related more together by their physical than by the chemical properties. They have the common property of being relatively insoluble in the water, and they are soluble in the non-polar solvents like ether and chloroform. They are widely distributed in the nature, both in plants and animals. Lipids, they include the fats, waxes, oils, and the related compounds. Classification of lipids. Lipids can be categorized into the three parts: simple lipids, complex lipids, and derived lipids. Simple lipids further classified into the two sections, fats and waxes. Complex lipids, they are classified into the glycerol, fatty acid, and phospholipids. Now first, the simple lipids. They are known as the natural because they are uncharged due to the absence of the ionizable groups present in it, which is responsible for charge of lipids. Fats, they are the esters of the fatty acids with the glycerol. Waxes, they are the esters of the fatty acids with the higher molecular weight, monohydric alcohol, example, beeswax. The natural fats, they are the most abundant lipids in the nature. They constitute about 98% of the lipids of the adipose tissues, 30% of the plasma or the liver lipids, less than 10% of the erythrocyte lipids. Since the three hydroxyl groups of the glycerols, they are esterified, the natural fats, they are also known as triglycerides. Now, the esterified glycerols with one molecule of fatty acid, they give monoglyceride, that with the two molecules gives the diglyceride. Fatty acid plus glycerol leads to formation of triglyceride that comprises of the basic sterols. All the steroid compounds, they have this common basic structure which is known as cyclopentano-phenyl and cyclopentano per hydrophenanthrin nucleus. As the name implies that it is the fully saturated ring structure, the small variations in the structure in the nature of the attached groups are found. The changes in the biological activity, they are the sterols, they are containing 4-ring structure with 3-ring structure of 6 carbon and 4th ring consisting of the 5 carbon structure. This is the 6 carbon structure and this is the 5 carbon structure. Certain steroids, they are containing the hydroxyl group that as there only for one, they are after referred to as the sterols. The common example of these are cholesterol, ergosterol, stigmosterol. The last two, ergosterol and stigmosterols, they are occur in the plant, and the cholesterol that is found into the animals. Some other examples, they include the steroids of the fungal cell membrane, sex hormones. The biological cells, they do not containing the sterols. Complex lipids, they are categorized into the glycerol, fatty acid and phospholipids. The esters of the fatty acids with the various alcohol along with an additional group, they are known as the complex lipids. Simple lipid plus additional group, that is known as complex lipids. First example, glycerol. When the three fatty acids covalently they are joined together to the alcohol, they leads to formation of one molecule of the glycerol. Glycerol, they form fats or the oils depending on whether they are solid or liquid at the room temperature. When the molecule of the glycerol combines with 1, 2 or 3 fatty acid molecule, they form monoglyceride, diglyceride, triglyceride respectively. The chemical bond formed between the fatty acid and an alcohol group of the glycerol is known as the ester linkage. Fats and oils, they are the reserve food storage product for most of the organisms and the cellular organisms, but not it is for the bacteria, plants, animals, and the that store lipids in the form of the triglyceride. Glycerides, they are the most abundant lipids and the richest source of the human body. They are insoluble in the water and they tend to clump in the globules. That globules, they are float on the surface of the water. We know that. As it is also called the glycerine or the trihydric alcohol, as it contains the 3 hydroxyl groups. It can be obtained from the diet, from lipolysis of the fats in the adipose tissues, and from glycolysis of the sugars. It can be utilized for the synthesis of the triacylglycerol, phospholipids, glucose, or can be oxidized to provide the energy. Used as a solvent in the preparation of the drugs and cosmetics. Nitroglycerin is used as a vasodilator. Second example of complex lipid is fatty acids. Fatty acids, they are the aliphatic carboxylic acids. It has the general formula RCH2 and COOH. They occur mainly as esters in the natural fats and oils, but do occur in the unesterified form as 3 fatty acid, a transport form found in the plasma. The fatty acids that occur in the natural fats, usually they are straight chain derivatives. They are containing an even number of carbon atoms. The chain may be saturated or unsaturated. The classification of fatty acid, saturated and unsaturated. According to the nature of the hydrophobic chain, fatty acids can be categorized. Saturated fatty acid do not contain the double bonds, while the unsaturated fatty acids, they are containing the double bonds. Saturated fatty acids, this is the structure of saturated fatty acid. They may be investigated as based on the acetic acid as the first member of the series in which the CH2 group is progressively added between the terminal CH3 and COOH group. This is the CH2 group added. Fatty acid in the biological system, usually they contains an even number of carbon atoms, typically between 14 and 24, and 16 and 18 carbon fatty acids, they are the most common. The hydrocarbon chain is almost invertibly unbranched in the animal fatty acids. A few branched chain fatty acids, they have also been isolated from both plant and animal sources. Saturated fatty acids, they are rich in the lipid storage in the adipose tissues. Now the unsaturated fatty acids, they are monosaturated and polyunsaturated. Unsaturated fatty acids, they are divided into the two parts. Monounsaturated fatty acids, they are containing one double bond. Polyunsaturated fatty acids, they are containing two or more double bond. The configuration of the double bond in the most unsaturated fatty acid is cis and trans. The double bond in the polyunsaturated fatty acid, they are separated by at least one methylene group. This is the structure of unsaturated fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty acids, they are rich in the membrane lipids to increase the fluidity of the structure. Unsaturated fatty acids, they exhibit the cis and trans isomerism. Third one of the complex lipid example is phospholipids. This is the structure of phospholipid, whole structure. This is the chemical formula. Phospholipids, they are the part of the cell membrane and form the complex lipids. They are composed of the glycerol backbones and two fatty acids. Glycerol backbone and two fatty acid. This is the glycerol and they are two fatty acid. They are with together leads to formation of the phospholipid. Phospholipids, they are composed of the essential component of the membrane in the plants, animals, and the microorganisms. Therefore, fatty acid compounds of the molecule is hydrophobic and it contains the non-polar tail, which is insoluble into the water. It is insoluble in the water. Such type of molecules, they have both properties that is known as amphibolic molecule. The amphibolic molecule, when come together, the hydrophilic heads will face towards out and the hydrophilic tails towards the inside, they forming a nucleus due to the permeability of the membrane is maintained. The derived lipids, third section of the lipid. Lipid molecules, they derived from the simple or the compound lipids on their hydrolysis. Examples are fatty acid, steroid, sterol, cholesterol, bile salt, vitamin A, D, E, K, ketone bodies, and glycerol. Biological significance of the lipids. Lipids, they are the important and most important functions of the lipids are first, storage. Lipid present as the oil globules, fat cells in the animals, fat layers below the skin, and also help in serving as the reserved food material. Second, source of insulation, fat layer present that gives the insulation and protection to the skin. Secondary, for the animals in the cold climate, they have the thick layer of the fat. Waxes, third significance, waxes present in the feathers of the birds that helps them in the protection to the from the outer atmosphere. Fourth, the structural role. Phospholipids, they form the bacterial cell membranes. Sphingolipids found in the new ganglion. Sterols, that forms the simple lipids from the fungal cell membrane. Fifth, biological recognition site. Recognition of the ganglions, that also helps in the recognition of the blood clumps, blood group, A, B, and O, they have the phospholipids in them that helps in differentiation of the blood groups. Sixth, various enzymes. They are known as the microsome enzyme. They including glucose 6-phosphate, microoxygenase, steryl CoA deesterase, etc. The activator is phosphatidylcholine. The component of electron transport chain, they are present in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. The inner membrane, it is made up of the phospholipids. During the photosynthesis, there is the important photophosphorylation and also thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. It is made up of the phospholipids. These are the references for this topic. Thank you.